The Sports Squad HX40 tabletop air hockey table is fun and exciting for all ages, delivering fast-paced action in a size that is just right for any home. Electric-powered to maintain even and continuous airflow, these compact tabletop versions offer the excitement of a fast and smooth gliding air hockey game for your home, office, or community center. The non-marking rubber pads protect your table and make it the perfect air hockey table for kids. But make no mistake, a small air hockey table is just as much for adults. Compact but still sturdy enough to be an air hockey table for adults, and unique addition to your collection of tailgate games. Comes complete with an AC adapter, 2 fast-action round pucks, and 2 plastic strikers. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. High-output fan creates a realistic arcade-style gameplay, powered by a C12V motor and included adapter. The electric fan provides powerful, yet quiet and even airflow for a smooth and frictionless playing surface. Number 2. 5-minute easy assembly, simply attach the 2 goal boxes and you're ready to play. Comes with 2 air hockey strikers and 2 pucks. The manual sliding abacus scorers help keep track of total goals and the goal boxes offer convenient hockey puck return. Number 3. Portable, compact design, fun and competitive. The HX40 slide hockey table is made of durable MDF. DIMS 40 inches length by 20 inches width by 5 inches height and weighs 14 pounds. The compact air hockey table features non-marking rubber pads to protect all your table surfaces. Number 4. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Sports Squad listens and learns from your feedback to create quality game room equipment for kids and adults. If you're not 100% satisfied or have product suggestions, our customer service team is available to help. Number 5. Sports Squad, bringing family and friends together. As an American-based company, Sports Squad brings new innovation to playing indoors and outdoors by introducing affordable, quality sports, lawn, tailgate, carnival, and game room games to market. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.